If you want to learn about data recovery rate, if you want to get the information of data recovery rate, then you are at the very right video, you are at the very right place. Hello, I am here again, and I am here to tell you the information of data recovery rate. There's nothing so complex that we almost think that it can't be in my mind, it couldn't fit to my conditions, it couldn't fit to my situations, my brain level, my mentality. There's nothing so. Whenever it comes to a query, it comes to a question, we have Google. That is the best thing, that is the best option to be chosen for any answer to be gotten, to be understood, or to be get into your mind and think over it and implement it in your life. So here, when we are dealing with data recovery rate, we have to make a search for data recovery rate, and you can search here, you can put your state name here, you can also get your city name here, and after that you can get that how the things are going in your area about your specific question. So I am the citizen of Florida, so I am writing here that in Florida, data recovery rate in Florida. I have to get to know about data recovery rate in Florida. Here, when we have been worked online, and today's era, we know about that how much online is important and necessary. So you can do all the functions, you can make all the things work by mere sitting at home. Like, you have to just click on a website, its specific name, its specific different options it has given to you. Like, there was a call option on my screen at the bottom, and I have just skipped it because I can't call while my video is being recorded. So we have to make a search that we can read in the video, and we can make an understanding that actually what is it and why is it, and about all the important information. First, we have to make the download complete, and after the completion of the download, we can get here, we can get to know about all the different things, all the knowledge about data recovery rate in your specific area. Suppose it would be Florida for me, and it could be anything else, anyone else for you. So here we go with reliable cloud file backup. Here we have got to know about the things, about the stuff that website is providing us. And here, first of all, we have to go with the things as they are here. Simplify hybrid cloud mobility. And after getting this Simplify Hybrid Cloud Mobility, you can read its detail and learn how it's hybrid and what facility it can provide you. After that, you can realize through hybrid cloud solutions, it can give you the basic and general solution for your basic problems. After that, there's consistent hybrid cloud. After that, develop for hybrid, run anywhere, bridge the cloud divide with hybrid. Since it has given you many options, and when it comes to contact the specific company or website, there's the number given, there's the contact given, there's the email given, any kind of that contact thing. Below here, there is given at the bottom contact us. Whenever you will contact, click here, you can get your questions, comments, your answers. You can read other people questions, comments, and you can click on their number to call them. You can get their media presentation, you can get their media address, social media address, and below there is another email as well. So that's the way how you can connect that website, and that video hopefully helped you that how you can get the information of data recovery rate in Florida. As I live in Florida, check about your specific area and get the information.